Most people think crochet takes hours, sometimes days, but some of the cutest things you can make with yarn take less time than it takes to scroll your phone. In the next few minutes, you're going to see a few crochet phone accessories that you can make in about 10 minutes. Yes, 10. And once you see how simple they are, you'll probably want to make 5 of them right away. Your phone goes everywhere with you. It's in your hand, your pocket, your bag, sometimes even on your bed while you watch videos. So why not make it a little more fun with something handmade? Tiny crochet accessories are perfect for this. They don't use much yarn, they're fast to make, and they're great even if you're still learning crochet. Plus, they make your phone look way more cute and personal. But here's the problem most people run into. They see crochet phone accessories online and think they're complicated. They imagine patterns with dozens of steps, color changes, sewing pieces together, and suddenly it feels like a whole project. So they skip it. And that's a shame, because some of the best crochet phone accessories are actually super simple, the kind of thing you can finish while watching a short video or waiting for your food to cook. So let's go through a few really cute crochet phone accessories you can make in around 10 minutes. These are beginner-friendly, quick, and perfect if you just want something fun and useful. The first one is a tiny crochet phone charm. Phone charms are everywhere right now. People love adding little decorations to their phones, and crochet ones look extra special because they're handmade. The great thing is, you don't need a lot of yarn. Just a small scrap piece is enough. Start with a simple chain, maybe around 6 to 8 stitches, then slip stitch back across the chain to make it thicker and stronger. Now you already have a small strap. From there, you can add something cute at the end. A tiny heart is perfect because it's fast and easy. Many small crochet hearts only take a few stitches in a magic ring, and they come together in just a minute or two. Once the heart is done, attach it to the strap, and then connect the strap to a key ring or phone loop. That's it. In less than 10 minutes, you now have a crochet phone charm that makes your phone look unique. And the best part? You can make a bunch of them using leftover yarn, different colors, different shapes, maybe stars, flowers, or tiny bows. Now let's talk about another super quick idea that people love, a crochet phone grip. You know those grips people stick to the back of their phone so they can hold them easier? You can actually crochet something similar. Start with a magic ring and make about 8 to 10 single crochet stitches into it, then pull the ring tight. Now work 1 or 2 rounds around it without increasing. What you end up with is a small, thick crochet circle. This little circle can act like a soft grip for the back of your phone. You can glue a small elastic loop behind it or attach it to a thin strap that sticks to your phone case. The yarn makes it soft and comfortable to hold, and you can customize the colors however you want. Bright colors, pastel colors, even striped ones if you want to use 2 yarn scraps. And because the circle is tiny, the whole thing comes together really fast. Now here's something even simpler, a crochet phone corner protector. Phones get dropped, it happens to everyone, and usually the corners hit the ground first. So here's a clever idea. Crochet a tiny triangle pocket that fits over the corner of your phone. To make one, start with a small chain, maybe 4 stitches, turn and make single crochet back across. Each row, add 1 extra stitch at the start so the piece slowly gets wider. After a few rows, you'll have a little triangle. Fold the triangle slightly and slip stitch along one side so it forms a tiny pocket. Now it can slide right onto the corner of your phone. It adds a soft layer that helps protect your phone and also looks really cute. You can even make 4 of them in matching colors, so each corner has its own little crochet cover. Another really fun one is a crochet phone sleeve. Now this one sounds like it would take longer, but a super simple sleeve can actually be done very fast if you keep the stitches basic. Start by chaining enough stitches to match the width of your phone. For most phones, that's around 12 to 15 chains, depending on your yarn size. Then work single crochet across the chain. When you reach the end, keep crocheting around the other side of the chain. Now you're working in a round. Continue crocheting in rounds until the sleeve is tall enough to cover most of your phone. Because the piece is small, this grows really quickly. In about 10 minutes, you'll already see the sleeve forming. You can leave the top open or add a tiny loop and button to close it. And the sleeve doesn't have to be plain. Even simple details make it look amazing. You can add a small crochet flower on the front, or sew on a tiny bow, or switch yarn colors halfway through to create stripes. Little details like that turn a simple sleeve into something that looks handmade in the best way. Now here's one accessory people don't think about but end up loving once they try it: a crochet phone cleaner. Phone screens get dirty fast. Fingerprints, dust, smudges, it's always there. Instead of using your shirt or a random cloth, you can make a tiny crochet screen cleaner. Use soft cotton yarn and make a small square using single crochet or half double crochet. Something like 8 stitches wide and 8 rows tall is enough. Once it's done, attach a small loop to one corner. Now you can hang it from your phone case, a keychain, or your bag. Whenever your screen gets smudged, just wipe it with the crochet square. Cotton yarn works really well for this because it's soft and gentle on screens. And again, it takes barely any time to make. Now here's something a lot of crocheters discover once they start making small accessories like these. They're kind of addictive. Because they're fast, you don't feel stuck in a long project. You get that nice feeling of finishing something quickly. And since they use leftover yarn, it's a great way to use all those small pieces you didn't want to throw away. You can also turn them into gifts. Imagine giving a friend a cute crochet phone charm or a tiny phone sleeve. It's small, but it feels special because it's handmade. You can even match the colors to their favorite style. Another fun idea is making seasonal phone accessories. For example, small pumpkin charms for autumn, tiny hearts for Valentine's Day, mini snowflakes for winter. Since each one only takes around 10 minutes, you can easily make a whole set. And if you're someone who sells crochet items, these quick accessories can actually be great products. They're small, fast to produce, and people love affordable handmade items they can attach to their phones. Plus, they're easy to customize. Different colors, different shapes, initials, tiny letters, little animals, the possibilities are endless. So if you ever feel like you don't have time to crochet, remember this: you don't need hours. Sometimes all you need is 10 minutes and a bit of yarn. In that time, you can make something cute, useful, and totally unique. And once you start making these tiny phone accessories, you'll probably find yourself looking at every yarn scrap and thinking, what small thing can I turn this into? Watch the next video to see even more fast crochet ideas.